Are y'all tired of your liftgate not working? Does it just sit like this? Doesn't go up on its own, super easy? Are you tired of using your muscles to get the liftgate open? Do you just want to lay in bed and not do anything at all? Never exert any energy? Well, if so, this is the video for you. Y'all don't think it'd be like it is, but it do. Well, that's not focused. Man, today I'm doing some liftgate shocks on the rear of the Land Cruiser 100 series. So I was gonna walk you through how I'm gonna do it and show you the part. This probably means your liftgate shocks are worn out, tired, old. And I bought some new ones. Those are these right here. You're probably gonna wonder, oh man, are those OE? Are those Denso OEM? Well, no, they're not. They're from China. They're from Amazon, just like everything else on the planet these days. But it looks like they're gonna work, so we're gonna swap them out. You're gonna need a 12mm socket here. You're gonna need a 12mm box wrench here. And you might want a friend to help you hold this liftgate while you do this work. I don't have a friend. I'm gonna hold it with one arm and pop these things off. I don't think it's gonna be that hard. I'm trying to keep this video short. According to my YouTube analytics, most of y'all don't watch past 1 minute and 30 seconds anyways, and I'm already over that limit, so we're trying to go fast. I'm holding this thing with my head. It does want to fall when it's only supported with one strut. It's not a hard job. Undo the top 2 bolts. Now I'm undoing the lower. I'm gonna throw the new one on in just a second here. And there you have it. Fresh new shock installed. Haven't done the other side yet. Let's see what happens here. It already lifts on its own. You only need to do one. Don't even worry about the other side. Just buy one, leave the other one stock, OE, screw it, move on with your life. Nah, just kidding. I put the other one on. Watch this. Magic. All right, y'all, that's it. It's gonna do it for this video. Hope you found it helpful. Hope you enjoyed the content, and I'll catch you on the next one. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more Toyota and car content like this. Peace.